So guys, I'm just like, I need to pray, because if these people they see this money, they see this money maker, I don't know where they see it. I just want to pray to God ukuthi nkulunkulu le mali abayibonayo sasusuyifaka nkosi yami, sasusuyifaka, ifake baba, ifake, faka le mali ingene ku bank account, because abantu bayayibona iyabanukela. World, I mean, what are we gonna do with gas prices, guys? Even in America, hey, siyabulawa. Prices are going up every week, every day, every minute, every second, baba. So I come here and gas is $5.49. Yesterday it was $5.29. Last week it was $4.99. The other month it was $4.85. Shooty, by the end of this month we're gonna be at $6. Sahamba ngenyawo, wengizwa, safaka amanzi. Yes, sis. Say it's fall without saying it's fall. I'm looking for wait a minute. There was a card that I saw that I wanted to get for my husband. Here it is. So I saw this one, things I love about you. You're way good. You make an ordinary day fun. We laugh at the same stuff. We always give the same. You always give me the last bite. Your kisses, you put up with my family. You're funny and smart. You totally get me. You make me smile. And then I saw this one. I love you. I like them both, honestly. I don't know. I definitely want both, but I'm thinking, okay, I'm gonna get both, but I'm gonna give him one now and one later. Okay. All right, let's get both.
Without barcodes, touch the quick lookup button. 750. If you have your club card,
Oh, wow.
please scan it now.
It's $8 for a card. Why did I think it was gonna be cheap?
650.
Wow, $15, but okay. I really thought they were gonna be like $2, maybe $5. But okay, anything for Bay.
How many store provided bags? Your total is 15. Oh, 9. Please wait. System processing. Follow the instructions on the pin pad. Please remember to take your receipt. Thank you.
Hey, but guys, cards have gone so expensive. Yesterday I was expecting them to be like maybe $5 each, but one was $7.50 and one was $6.50. I mean, they are good looking cards, great quality, amazing messages, very thoughtful. So I mean, it's not bad. It's just I was surprised because I was not expecting it. You know, it's been a while since I bought a card. Well, it's not that while. I bought my husband a birthday card, something, I don't know. I think it was for his birthday or our anniversary, but I don't know. I can't remember how much it was. Anyway, it's worth it. They're beautiful cards. I'm gonna give him this one probably first because it's meaningful. Then I'm gonna give it this one because it's so funny and he'll get the sense of humor. I love you. Yeah, so guys, yeah, do something nice for your bae, something sweet, you know. I just went and got him some, you know, just cards, just to make him know that, you know, just to let him know that I love him and I think of him and I value him. Something small, doesn't have to be, you know, great. So I've signed my base card and I wrote a little sweet message on the inside. Oh my gosh, I love these cards. Such great quality. I mean, what a wowzer. And honestly, for $6.50, I'm not complaining. Honestly, I'm not. I think I should get into the business of making cards. Funny enough, I've been thinking about this because I saw an ad somewhere about making cards and wow, beautiful. So yeah, now I'm gonna put it in here and I'm gonna give it to bae when I get home. For burning incense. Candles. You can never go wrong with white candles. Essential oils. Incense. But you know what? Actually, no, I'm not gonna buy this because I actually have something that I bought that I should be using that I'm not using. So, no. Let me put this away. I'll take the candles because I actually bought. I'll show you what I got. It's similar to incense. So I spent money on it. Let me use it. A diffuser. Look at these though. A wax warmer. Gosh. I would love to have a wax warmer, honestly. And then look at this. I actually was about to order a diffuser online and some oil because I had one in my place in Vegas. But you know what? Since they have it here and it's cheap, I'm just gonna take it. Why wait when I can have it right now? Because I was thinking of ordering next month, but if I can have it right now, I'm just gonna take it right now. Well, I'm gonna have candles and a diffuser. I don't know. Does that make sense? Yeah, actually it does. Because sometimes I want to burn a candle, sometimes I might just want the diffuser. So, because I just like candles, guys. So, the white ones, I don't know, I'm gonna leave these ones because I actually still have a pack of white ones in my storage. So, why am I adding these ones? Well, maybe I can just take them and keep them. Why not? I need the Sperry for my scale, so let's see if they have it here. That sounds like the same size. So what? I actually have I bought a humidifier, and I have another candle that I need to finish. So let's finish those before I start adding, because you know me, I'll just add. But damn, I guess I only came here for this. You know what? Let me just grab a candle. Let me grab a candle. It's like, yo, day one. Since we are introducing fall, we might as well do the festive spice. Yeah, and the weather calls for it. The weather calls for something spicy. Is there anything else I was looking for? I don't think so. Alright, let's go. When I look at this blazer, I just think of this Rihanna, these new Fenty plus Puma shoes. Like, how can I style that? So I'm back at Target to return. You remember I had something to return. Let me show you. Remember this top? Yeah, I'm here to take care of this. Hello, hi guys, I'm your girl Uportia in Domega Congo. If you know, you know. If you don't, well, better luck next time. Hi my people. So thank you guys for your love and support. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. I love my rings. I gotta go to, I bought them at the small. Okay, this one I actually bought in South Africa at a mall in South Africa, Elibati Mall. I think it was like $350. And then I got these two at a mall here in California. I gotta go back to that store because I need more rings. I need more. I gotta ask Bae which mall we went to. He might remember. Anywho, it's another day, another week, another vlog. I posted a video letting you guys know how to travel, relocate to America. So please go watch that. Let your friends know who want to travel, because yo, niyang hlupa on my inbox. Portia, we want to travel, we want to come to America. But guys, also remember, America is not the only place. It's literally not the only place to travel to. There's other places. So maybe I should explore other places for you guys. Like, I will research them for you, so you know that America is not the only place to be. And maybe I should just travel for y'all, so that you can see what's happening in other places, in other areas. Anyway, actually I started this vlog yesterday, which y'all saw, but I was just busy running my errands. I had a half day off, so I was like, let me just take you with me, get some few things done. Then I got, you know, Bae a card, which y'all saw. He loved it. We got some Heineken, and we drank, we chilled, we relaxed. We were so tired. Woke up the next day, we had to go get our oil change done in our car. I got 2 new front tires, and then yeah, now we are here. So anyway, I went to my mailbox and I got this box, so I wanted to do an unboxing with you guys. This box is from NAILBOO. So guys, I've been wanting this product for what, I'll say a whole year now. I meant to buy it last year, but I missed the sale. Like, I wanted to buy it and it was on sale for 55% off. And because I didn't know that if I wanted to really spend that much money. It's really worth it, because I mean, it's a lot of money to drop at one time, but it's gonna last me years. So in the long run, it's worth it. What NAILBOO is, of course, it's a nail product. It's, I don't know if Harris, I mean, did I just say Harris? I meant Paris Hilton is the one who started this product, or maybe she's just the ambassador for NAILBOO. But I know that she's the one on the ad for NAILBOO. I saw her advertising NAILBOO and I was like, girl, Paris Hilton, I know you like style and I know you know things, so I believe you, girl. I've been wanting it. I'm gonna show you guys when I open it together. Excuse me, I just had kombucha by GT's kombucha watermelon. So I'm like burping watermelon. It tastes so good, honestly. So this year I got the I saw the sale, 55% off. I was like, yes, I'm gonna buy it. It was $100, which is 1.8 in rands. Like I said though, it's gonna last years. I bought the whole kit though because I've never had it, so it needs a whole kit. So I bought the whole kit, then I bought other few things that I wanted, so that's why it was 1.8 in rands, which is $100. But it's meant to last you for a long time, so you don't have to go to the nail spa to get your manicure, and it lasts like 6 weeks. Like if you apply your one application will last you at least 6 weeks. So that's what I want, because guys, like you see, I've been growing my nails. This one broke, which I'm very, very sad about, because it broke literally after I made this order, and then this nail decides to break. But you can see, so I love my natural nails, and this is going to help me take care of my natural nails, keep them strong, keep them healthy. And that's really what it does as well. It keeps them healthy, strong, and it protects. So without any further ado, let's unbox this baby. So I don't know, I might have to turn the camera around because babe keeps me protected and safe, but I might have to turn this box around so you guys can see. But let me just remove the tape first. I'm so excited. You guys will get to see it first. Oh. Okay, let me turn the camera around, guys, because you'll have to see this at the right angle. So yeah, here's everything. Here's the tray. Like I said, you put the activator and you let your nails soak to remove the NAILBOO powder or dip powder. And this is the clips for your fingers, guys. You'll see everything because I'm gonna do a video and we're gonna try it with you guys. We're gonna do the whole application because I've never done something like this. I've never applied dip powder and activator. I just let my nails be natural. So but I wanted to use this because it's said to be amazing for natural nails. It keeps them strong, it lets them grow, and this one application will last you at least 6 weeks. So I got how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Oh my gosh, so this should last me, I don't know, maybe 2 years, because if one application is gonna last you 6 weeks, I don't know how many applications are in one thing, but that's a lot. Yeah. So these are the colors that I got. I got green because you'll know that your girl is in love with green. You'll see green, of course. So I got this green one, and then I got this white. I just liked natural and neutral colors. Then I got this peekaboo. What was the name for this one? It's called Okay, it's just build powder. But does this one have a name? This one is called Exotic Emerald. And then we have this latte lady. Yeah, it definitely looks like a latte. And then we have this velvet lust. And then we have royal rose. Oh, so beautiful. And then we have this stormy days. And this is the cuticle milk. This is the application brushes. And this is just the activator. Like you apply this activator on your nails, then you put the dip powder, and then you will see the whole process. Nami, I still have to learn it myself. Then they gave you this. And yeah, I'm totally excited to try this. So I am totally stoked about this order. I cannot wait to try this product with you guys and review it and see how we feel about it. I just switched up my location because I was facing away from the sun because it's hot, but it made it look so dark and you guys cannot see my famous American flag. Anyway, I wanted to also close up this vlog. What else did I want to tell you guys besides that? Because I love you and I appreciate you. Like, subscribe, comment, let me know how y'all feel about the vlogs. Y'all are allowed to talk, guys. It's not just Udi Pela who's allowed to talk, but I appreciate you, D. I actually have a box to send in South Africa. I am probably going to do that in the next vlog. And I have something special for D. In the other vlog, I was showing you guys this nice, cool, long dresses. And D was like, "My girl, if you don't slide that dress through," I was like, "D, I got you because you are amazing for my channel." So if somebody is helping me, that means I'm Caesar. Anyway, before I close off, I wanted to go. Not that I wanted to go, but I wanted to pray before I go to work because I'm actually in my car ready to work. But I wanted to pray. Let me tell you guys why I wanted to pray. I wanted to pray because yesterday I had a day off chilling with Bay, and out of nowhere, guys, I get 3 messages. Izolo, in one day, 3 messages from 2 were from my family members. Batingu Sizo, Batingi Mali, and blah 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 blah. And then another message was from somebody that I went to school with. We are not friends. I cannot say we are friends because I don't even know her mother, I don't know her brother, I don't know nothing about her family. So we're not friends. We went to school together. We were in the same class. We are just classmates. And then ngisababaza lokho ngivuka ekseni kungene enye message from my other family member, ngidinga usizo. 4 people. So guys, I'm just like, I need to pray because if these people, they see this money, they see this money maker, I don't know where they see it. I just want to pray to God. Sasusuyifaka nkosi yami, sasusuyifake baba, ifake. Faka le mali ingene ku bank account because abantu bayayibona iyabanukela, angazi bayibona phi kanjani, guys. I don't know. Yes, I don't even own a car. I have a rental. I don't own a house. I rent. I don't have my own business. Yes, I work for myself, but it's not my own business. Like I also now have things that I want to make come true for myself. So Nami, I have to be careful with who I help and how much I do because I will end up with no savings. While on top of that, guys, I have a bill from immigration. I was in tears 2 days ago. Immigration is looking for $800. That's 15K. And people are asking me for money. They don't know which I have my own 15K problem. Hey, I have to call immigration and figure out to you how and when I'm gonna pay them. So guys, while you are putting stress on other people and you're asking them and you think they have, just know ukuthi uZama has ibill ka 15K ngihleli nje yila. Mase kungena imessage, Zama ngicela ungisize ngifuna ukuya phesheya. Hey Zama ngicela ungisize ngifuna iPhone. Ufuna iPhone? Mina ngiphathe iPhone. Ngiphathe Nokia. Lapho le Nokia ekabhey. Yeah, people are asking me for iPhones. Lapho mina ngina iPhone ne Nokia ne Samsung le ngirekhoda ngayo. Hey guys, yazi umuntu uzohlala la eAmerica ngabe sabuyela ekhaya ngoba phela manje sesiyasaba manje ngoba manje nisibhekile ukuthi sinani, angisafuni ukupost, angisafuni ukwenzani. I mean, I don't even post. Like, people who follow me know ukuthi I'm not flashy. Ukuthi oh, I'm in America, I'm living. Guys, buka namadon, I'm a twist. I'm all just natural. I'm living my calm life. With Lambe, oh, Zama, she has all this long hair, natural hair. You know, that's okay. Oh, Zama, drive mount, let me slash. Oh, Zama, we are rentela. Oh, Zama, usigqokela nje normal. Oh, Zama, ushophela ka Bellington, naga Walmart, naga Target. Oh, Zama, ushama twisty. Oh, Zama, nje nkosi yami is in her own lane. So angazi ngempela ukuthi uZama nimfunani. Nimfunani uPortia Zee. Wow, guys. But I'm like, you know, it's okay. Because maybe uNkulunkulu zama ukungitshela ukuthi I can do this because vele iphupho lami ukuthi ngisiza abantu. And uNkulunkulu uzokutesta ukuthi uyakwazi ukwenza lokho okufixayo. So I'm doing my best. Ngisiza labe ngikwazi ukubasiza, kufanele ngiqale ngomndeni wami. I cannot just ngiyosiza amandi engawazi ukuthi awakephi. Yebo. You understand? So I'm doing my best, but guys, nibe gentle ngabanye abantu nabo, they are going through a lot, guys. If I told you what I'm going through, ungathi Zama, how are you able to ube lana entertain uhleke kanjani mntakababa? Hey, but impilo you have choices, so mina I choose to be happy. So guys, nani nibe njalo. Anyway, let me go, and before I close off, I'm gonna pray and then I'm gonna read my affirmations. I want to show you, I have this file. I keep this file in my car when I get time, because I always get time. I mean, I work for myself, guys. It's not my own business, but I work for myself, so I take time whenever I want to. That's why you'll see me recording in my car. When I take a break, I do whatever I want to do. So this is my diary. I write in my diary, I journal. Guys, get a diary and journal. And then this is my dream book. I write my dreams. And then this is the book that I'm reading right now. I'm gonna share with you in another video what I'm reading right now. And yeah, so I'm gonna pray, write in my diary, and do my affirmations. And then I'm gonna go back to work. Give it happy. Okay guys, I really appreciate you joining me. So maybe I should read my affirmation from this book. This book is by Louise Hay. Let me close off with this affirmation. Affirmations, guys, are things that you repeat over and over to yourself until you believe them, until you affirm which they are true. I love myself. Therefore, I work a job I truly enjoy doing, one that uses my creative talents and abilities, working with people and for people I love and who love me, and earning a good income. I love myself. Therefore, I behave and think in a loving way to all people, for I know that which I give out returns to me multiplied. I only attract loving people in my world, for they are a mirror of what I am. I love myself, therefore I forgive and I totally release the past and I am free. I love myself, therefore I live totally in the now, experiencing each moment as good and knowing that my future is bright and joyous and secure. For I am a beloved child of the universe, and the universe lovingly takes care of me now and forevermore. All is well in my world. Thank you, universe. I love you, Z World. I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye.